This Ryobi 1 Plus brushless angle grinder with a 125mm grinding disc is ideal for a variety of applications. Some examples include cutting and grinding metals, sharpening blades, shaping stones or paving, removing rust and rough paint on metals, and even polishing, all with the freedom of cordless. Ryobi's brushless technology combines a frictionless brushless motor, intelligent electronics, and lithium plus battery technology to deliver up to 30% more power and runtime. This means, as well as metal cutting, you can now complete a wider range of applications, including grinding metal, rust removal, and even working with masonry. It features a 3-position handle for better control when grinding or cutting, and a toolless, easy-fix nut. And wheel guard, which makes setting up the tool quick and easy. It has a sliding lock-on switch, so you don't have to constantly squeeze a trigger. And it includes one metal grinding disc as standard. This brushless angle grinder also includes anti-kickback technology for safety, which will automatically shut down the motor when a jam is detected, ensuring you don't lose control of the tool. With a 5 amp-hour lithium plus battery, you can make up to 80 cuts through 13mm metal pipes. The brushless angle grinder is sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your 1 Plus collection without the need to pay for additional batteries and chargers. As part of the 1 Plus system of over 70 great tools for your home and garden, this 18-volt brushless grinder will work with any 1 Plus battery.
Introducing Porter Cable's new 20-volt max lithium-ion cutoff tool and grinder, PCC 761B, part of the growing linked system of high-performance tools. A high-performance motor produces 8,500 rotations per minute for fast and smooth cutting removal. Each tool comes standard with a tool-free cutting and grinding guard, allowing users to quickly and safely adjust the guard. This tool also features a 3-position side handle for control and comfortable use of tool, a durable cast metal gear housing to help dissipate heat during extended use. 20-volt max compact and max pack lithium-ion batteries are compatible with the tool. Both the compact and the max pack batteries deliver the power and runtime needed for the job. 20-volt max cutoff tool grinder combines speed, performance, durability, versatility, and value demanded on the job site. As part of the new line of Porter Cable 20-volt max linked system tools, it delivers the power you need at the price you want. Get linked with the power and performance of 20-volt max.
Introducing the DWE 402 Small Angle Grinder by DeWalt. One of the most durable small angle grinders DeWalt has ever produced, with features that maximize cut depth and ease of use. In fact, this grinder has over 142 new parts, a cooler temperature rise, and is designed to deliver more power. With guaranteed tough construction and compact design that was made to fit your hands, the dust ejection system allows cooling air in while ejecting harmful debris out. The powerful next-generation motor can tackle tough jobs other DeWalt small-angle grinders can't. The advanced airflow management system channels cool air into the tool, cooling the motor and internal components. This cooler motor lasts longer and delivers more reliable power. The integrated heat sink reduces gearbox temperatures. The DWE 402 Small Angle Grinder is built to last and is always built guaranteed tough by DeWalt.